Weddings in India are like the whole investment for the lifetime. The whole event has to be like a one whole unit and not this and that or मैंने ये किया तूने ये किया कुछ खराब हो गया then the person is going to say अरे ये तो मैंने नहीं बोला था आपने बोला अब आप झेलो. It's not like that. People tend to wanting to save money, so they plan a one-man show. And instead of one-man show, you should have a teamwork. RSVP and logistics is like a backbone to any event. So I think I would want to start with like weddings in India are like the whole investment for the lifetime. People think that my bacha is born and now, then they save on money for the wedding and the big day that they want to do. So over there, I think the first mistake that people make is not giving the RSVP to the event planner to take care of and logistics from their in-house car rental agency that they know. So that's the biggest mistake because RSVP and logistics is like a backbone to any event. Because when we are hiring an RSVP person, the person is well skilled, and I think it's the most well skilled person that we hunt for is for RSVP because he or she, according to the client needs, is a connecting factor between the event planner, the client and the guest. So the person knows each person, their temperament, how the person is talking with them, to sense it, to gauge that, the person is rude, soft, understandable, and time and again calling them up softly, not losing the patience, and knowing that when are they coming, when are they, leaving back. And in between the events also, this team is also again working, calling them, telling them so and so time you're there, you're not supposed to be there. And when you're doing it on your own, you tend to forget few names here and there. You keep बार क्या phone करना है वो बता देंगे. In that turn, what happens is sometimes you skip your guest. And when the team is there at the airport, event planner team is there at the airport or station, we don't know that there was another guest who was supposed to come. And then they start shouting at the people, the event team that is there. So it becomes kind of a very uncalled for situation for everybody. If your pick up and drop of any event is done amazingly and smoothly, your whole wedding is sorted because the guest is at peace. So I think that's the biggest mistake that any guest makes. Like, choose a wise RSVP and logistics team. Don't avoid it. You're not going to save money on that. You're tending to have a lot of bad things around you during the wedding. Like, a lot of chaos is created. So yeah, I would say that's the biggest mistake I think I've seen. People doing RSVP on their own. The second mistake I would say that it's like don't play a game of hide and seek. If you have something booked, if you want certain vendor which you know of, please tell to the event planner. Don't give it a surprise on the D-Day. Because sometimes it happens, maybe we have the thing that we can gauge that person may be not apt for the wedding that is happening. So we can tell that we need this kind of team. We'll talk to the person. We don't have a problem in working with the vendors that the client wants, but we need that transparency. We need that you introduce us to each other, that this person is going to be there doing certain things. The photographer's going to be there, so we can tell what is the kind of team he is hiring. The client may not know that traditional videography or a cinematographer may be different, but that's where we can explain that we need this team for the wedding, and the whole event has to be like a one whole unit and not this and that or मैंने ये किया तूने ये किया कुछ खराब हो गया then the person is going to say अरे ये तो मैंने नहीं बोला था आपने बोला अब आप झेलो. It's not like that. It's a wedding and as an event planner, it's my baby. I have taken it, it's my baby. It's our baby rather. Instead of mine, I would say our baby. So let's just deal with everything together and not कि मैंने ये किया तूने ये किया. It's not about that. So I think the trust and transparency are the two words I think very, very important, which the client should know. The third mistake I would say again, I would say here when the wedding and planner and everything comes in the picture, people tend to wanting to save money. So they plan a one-man show. And instead of one-man show, you should have a teamwork. कि आपके ऑफिस के स्टाफ और आपके घर के लोग शादी नहीं कर सकते, वो उनका रोज़ का काम नहीं है. जिसका forte है, let the person do.